Today's recipe is another simple Bengali fish curry. This is called Doi Maach, where fish is cooked in a yogurt-based gravy. Let's make this together. We're going to start off by making a paste of 1 large onion, 1 green chilli or to taste, a 2-inch piece of ginger. Grind all that together, make a smooth paste and set it aside. Next, in some hot water, we are going to soak 8 cashew nuts, set that aside. I'm using Doi Maach for this recipe. You can use Katla too. This is 500 grams. We're going to season it with some salt and very little turmeric powder, not as much as we add in other fish curries. Guys, if you're new to my channel and you want more Bengali recipes, make sure to subscribe. Okay, time to pan fry our fish. I'm taking 4 tablespoons of normal cooking oil. This is not mustard oil. And we are going to fry it very slightly. We don't want to make it crisp. This is also different from other fish curries that we make. Sometimes when we got fresh fish at home, my grandma would skip the frying step altogether, so it's up to you. The cashew nuts have been soaking for 10 to 15 minutes. We are going to add them to a grinder jar along with water as needed to make a paste. Set that aside. Now to the same pan where we fried the fish, we are going to add 1 bay leaf, a 1-inch cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamoms, 3 cloves. Stir fry for a few seconds so it gets aromatic, and next we're going to add in our onion, ginger, green chili paste. Guys, if you prefer written recipes, I also have a blog called nupursindiankitchen.com. To the onion paste, we are going to add some salt to taste, and we are also going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is going to caramelize along with the onions and is going to give the necessary sweetness to the gravy. We want to stir fry the onion paste until it turns a dark brown in color, guys. This is going to make sure that the raw smell of the ginger and the onion is gone. This should take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our cashew nut paste, and we are also going to stir this along with the onions till the water dries up and it also glides easily on the surface of the pan. The paste may feel sticky at first, but soon the cashew nut is going to ooze out oil and the whole thing is going to turn nice and smooth and oily like that. Next, we are going to beat some yogurt. This is 1 cup of plain unsweetened yogurt, and we are going to add that in. This is the main base for the gravy, guys, and the cashew nuts make the yogurt a lot more rich. Combine the yogurt well, and we are going to let this simmer and keep stirring it till it reaches a thicker paste-like consistency and oil surfaces on the gravy. Add some more salt if needed, add some more sugar if needed, and just keep reducing it more and more till it starts to look like that, more oily and more thick. At this point, we are going to add in some hot water. This is a total of 1.5 cups of hot water, guys, and I'm also adding 4 slit green chilies. Obviously, you should add green chilies to your taste. Once the gravy starts to simmer, we are going to add in our fish pieces. We are going to let the fish simmer in the gravy till the gravy turns a little bit thicker, like simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, till the gravy doesn't taste dilute anymore. This fish curry has a mild, mellow taste. It is slightly sweet, slightly salty. It tastes really good with steaming hot white rice. My grandma used to make it, and this is one of my dad's favorite fish curries. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Check out other fish curry recipes on my channel.